The Aleph Model A is an innovative all-electric flying car that takes the idea of future travel to a whole new level. Built to function both on the road and in the air, it aims to solve traffic congestion and make commutes faster and more flexible. On the ground, it drives like a normal car, but when needed, it can take off vertically and soar above the streets. The Model A has a flight range of about 10 miles and nearly double that when driving on the road, making it practical for short trips and daily commutes. What makes this vehicle so unique is its advanced technology and smart design. It features a powerful stabilization system, distributed electric propulsion, advanced flight software, and built-in safety measures, all while keeping passengers safe with no exposed propellers. Once in the air, the car can even rotate sideways, using its 8 rotating blades to move smoothly forward. The Artificial Energy Island is Denmark's groundbreaking renewable energy project that aims to transform how offshore wind power is produced and shared. By 2030, Denmark plans to build 2 massive hubs, one in the North Sea and one in the Baltic Sea. The North Sea project is especially unique because it will be built as an artificial island about 80 kilometers, 50 miles off the coast of Jutland. This man-made structure could be created from sand, steel platforms, or even a giant container filled with stone. At first, it will have the capacity to support 3 gigawatts of offshore wind power, but over time it could grow to handle as much as 10 gigawatts, enough to power millions of homes. In the Baltic Sea, the natural island of Bornholm will serve as another hub, starting with 3 gigawatts of capacity. These two projects together will form the largest construction effort in Denmark's history. The ASAP hybrid helicopter is an exciting step forward in the future of air travel, combining the best features of traditional helicopters with modern electric technology. This powerful hybrid aircraft is designed to be fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly, making it a game changer in aerial transportation. Its vertical takeoff and landing ability allow it to reach places that normal aircraft cannot, from remote villages and rugged landscapes to crowded urban areas where space is limited. What sets the ASAP hybrid helicopter apart is its focus on both performance and sustainability. The electric propulsion system not only reduces fuel use, but also lowers emissions, offering a greener way to fly. At the same time, it doesn't compromise on strength or speed, giving passengers a smooth and reliable flight experience. This makes it perfect for many different situations, whether it's urgent emergency response, transporting people quickly across busy cities, or even offering a unique option for leisure travel. The China Future Stadium, officially called the ZN International Football Center, is one of the most exciting stadium projects in the world. Unlike traditional arenas, this futuristic design combines classic Chinese architectural style with modern parametric shapes, giving it a unique, almost space-age look. Planned to be completed in 2023, it was built in time for the AFC Asian Cup, but it's much more than just a sports venue. It's a landmark that represents both the future of design and the deep history of football in China. Over 2,300 years ago, China invented a game called Kuju, a type of kickball that was played by young nobles, professional athletes, and even emperors. While it wasn't exactly the same as the football we play today, FIFA officially recognized in 2004 that Kuju was the earliest version of the sport. This makes China not only a modern host of world-class football, but also the true birthplace of the game. The Revo hubless e-bike is a futuristic ride that blends cutting-edge design with smart technology, making it stand out from any other bicycle. After 4 years of development, this hubless electric bike with spokeless wheels is now available to order, offering both style and performance in one package. Its most eye-catching feature is the sleek wheel design, which also includes powerful 800-lumen LED lights built right into the rims. Thanks to an ambient light sensor, the Hyundai Future Mobility concept is a bold and exciting look at how we might travel in the future. First revealed at CES 2022, Hyundai presented its vision of future cities where transportation is smarter, more flexible, and accessible for everyone. A key part of this concept focuses on robotics and the metaverse, a virtual space where people can interact and connect in new ways. Hyundai also paid special attention to people with limited mobility by creating innovative plug and drive pods. These small modules are designed to help people move around the city with ease, and they can even connect to a larger platform, turning into a bus like system that offers both independence and convenience. Another groundbreaking feature of this concept is the use of vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, which could transform the way we move around crowded cities by reducing traffic and saving time. Hyundai's ultimate goal is to build a mobility of things ecosystem where vehicles, technology, and people all work together seamlessly. This futuristic approach challenges traditional transportation systems and opens the door to a world where mobility is more inclusive, efficient, and exciting. With this vision, Hyundai is imagining a city where travel is smarter, faster, and designed for everyone. The Mercedes Vision EQXX is one of the most impressive electric cars ever created, built to show just how far technology and innovation can take us. Designed in Germany, this futuristic concept car sets new standards in range and efficiency, traveling more than 621 miles on a single charge. That's a distance many traditional cars can't even match. One of its biggest secrets is its aerodynamic design, with a drag coefficient of just 0.17 compared to the zero point 0.3 of regular cars. This means it moves through the air smoothly, using far less energy. But the EQXX isn't only about performance, it's also about sustainability. The interior is crafted from eco-friendly materials like bamboo, vegan silk, mushroom-based fabric, and even cactus-derived materials. This gives the car a modern, stylish look while being gentle on the environment. To add even more innovation, Mercedes fitted solar panels on the roof that can boost the driving range by up to 16 miles in ideal conditions. The Vision EQXX shows us what the future of driving could look like: luxurious, efficient, and eco-conscious. It's not just a concept car, it's a glimpse of tomorrow, proving that electric mobility can be both practical and exciting. The Pearl Suites by Italy's Lazzarini Design Studio are a breathtaking idea that takes luxury living to the water. These floating apartment blocks are designed to be both stylish and practical, making them perfect for resorts, vacations, or even private retreats. Each unit gives you around 237 square feet of cleverly designed space, complete with a cozy terrace for relaxing, a modern bathroom, a toilet, and a transformable studio bedroom that adjusts to your needs. The highlight is the unique roof, partly made from photochromic glass, which can fold down so you can sunbathe comfortably and enjoy the natural light whenever the weather is good. What makes the Pearl Suites even more exciting is their mobility. Thanks to a built-in electric motor, these floating homes can move across the water, giving you the freedom to change your surroundings whenever you like. Imagine starting your day with a calm sunrise view, then gently gliding to a new spot to watch the sunset, all from the comfort of your own floating apartment. The design combines relaxation, freedom, and futuristic style in a way that feels both innovative and cozy. The Plana Hybrid eVTOL is a futuristic air mobility concept from a Korean startup led by the former head of Hyundai's advanced air program. This aircraft is designed to make short distance air travel quieter, cleaner, and more convenient, opening the door to a new era of flying. Built to carry one pilot and up to 6 passengers, it promises a smooth and eco-friendly flight experience with an impressive range of up to 500 kilometers. Its design features a sleek body, a large upper wing, and front canards that provide extra stability. To power its flights, the Plana Hybrid uses big tilting 5-blade electric propellers that deliver full vector thrust, allowing the aircraft to take off and land vertically while ensuring comfort and efficiency in the air. What sets the Plana Hybrid apart is its focus on passenger comfort and accessibility, aiming to make air travel feel as easy as stepping into a car. The company plans to have its first demonstration aircraft ready by 2024 and hopes to begin certified production by 2028. With its smart hybrid system and futuristic design, the Plana Hybrid is shaping up to be a game changer in urban and regional transportation. The Ray VTOL aircraft concept from Ray Research AG is a bold vision of the future of air travel, designed to make flying faster, more convenient, and more personal. This innovative aircraft is a five-seater built to carry four passengers and one pilot in comfort, making it perfect for VIP or business travel. Unlike traditional airplanes, it doesn't need a runway to take off or land. Instead, it uses four powerful wing-mounted fans and two smaller tail-mounted duct fans that provide vertical lift and smooth maneuvering. This advanced VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, system makes it possible to fly directly from one location to another, offering a true door-to-door travel experience. With its long-range capability and sleek design, the Ray VTOL aims to solve the challenges of modern transportation by reducing travel time and making regional flights more accessible. Passengers can expect a quiet and comfortable ride while enjoying the speed and efficiency of this futuristic aircraft. The aerospace industry has taken a bold step forward with the merger of XTI Aircraft Company and Inpixon, forming a new company called XTI Aerospace Incorporated. This exciting partnership officially began trading on the NASDAQ Capital Market under the ticker XTIA on March 13, 2024, marking a big milestone in the future of private air travel. By joining forces, the two companies are combining resources and expertise to accelerate innovation in advanced aircraft technology. XTI Aerospace is now focused on developing the TriFan 600, a unique vertical lift crossover airplane that blends the best features of a business jet with the flexibility of vertical takeoff and landing. This means it can take off and land like a helicopter, but fly with the speed, range, and comfort of a private jet. Designed for business and personal travel, the TriFan 600 promises greater convenience, efficiency, and accessibility for passengers. While the details of shareholder approvals were kept internal, the result has already positioned XTI Aerospace as a strong player in next-generation aviation. With this merger, the company is pushing the boundaries of air mobility and redefining what private and regional air transportation could look like in the coming years.